Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by verifying hardware and the Windows input. Plug the headset into another device to confirm it's functional, then try both front and rear PC ports to localize the fault. Once done, visually inspect the jack for lint or bent pins and clear gently with compressed air. This often restores contact. Make sure to reboot Windows 10 after switching ports so the system reinitializes the audio hardware and device enumeration. Next, you update drivers and correct software settings because most jack issues are driver or configuration related. Open Device Manager, find your audio device, Realtek, Intel, or USB audio, and select Update Driver or reinstall the latest from the manufacturer. Then go to Sound Settings, set your headset as the default playback device, and disable audio enhancements. Also check the sample rate under Advanced Properties. Mismatched rates can mute output, so set a standard like 44,100 Hz and apply. Finally, you perform advanced fixes and a key troubleshooting tip. Run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder Services from Services. MSC to refresh audio stacks. If the problem started after an update, roll back the driver or use system restore to a point when audio worked. If none of this helps, use a cheap USB audio adapter to bypass the jack. If that works, you've isolated a hardware jack failure and can plan repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.